Good afternoon, students. Today our topic is chapter 14, practical geometry. Okay, let me introduce this chapter first. In this chapter there will be two exercises, and this chapter is all about the construction, means drawing. You will learn how to construct the quadrilateral. In first exercise you will construct quadrilateral, that will not be special quadrilateral. There are 10 parts of quadrilateral, you know very well. Like there are 4 sides, there are 4 angles, and there are 2 diagonals of each quadrilateral. It means there are total 10 parts of every quadrilateral. But out of these 10, you must be given in question 5 parts, so that you can construct quadrilateral. If any 5 parts are not given, then you can't construct the quadrilateral. Means you will be given either all 4 sides length and 1 diagonal length you will be given. Then also you can draw quadrilateral easily. And if in question you are given 4 sides and 1 angle, then also you can draw easily. Or in question you will be given 3 sides length and 2 diagonals, or you will be given 3 sides and 2 included angles, or in the question you will be given 2 sides and 3 angles. If you will be given such 5 measurements, then only you can construct the quadrilateral in the first exercise. So in today's video we'll just cover A part. A part means in the given question you will be given 4 side length and 1 diagonal. Any 1 diagonal you will be given. It means you will be given 5 length. So you can easily construct the diagonal, and I will show you how to construct such type of quadrilateral through this video. Okay, come on. If the question is construct quadrilateral, all these 4 sides are given, AB, BC, CD, DA. And 1 diagonal AC is also given. It means you are given 5 measurements. So it means you can easily draw. So let's start how you will draw. The very first step is you will draw first of all the rough sketch. This is the rough sketch. See the rough sketch. You will just by free hand you will draw AB 6.5, then BC 5.2, then CD is also given 5.8, then AD 6.1, and AC is given 6.8 centimeter. So this is a rough sketch. Just simply you will draw it by your rough hand. Now using scale, compass and pencil we will construct it. Okay, let's start. First of all you will look this rough sketch. Okay, first of all you will draw AB is equal to 6.5. So with scale you will draw AB is equal to 6.5. See here you will mark a point, draw line segment. AB is equal to 6.5. Where is 6.5? See, it is here. It is here. So this is A and this is B. Make sure that your drawing must be neat and clean. First step we have done. Now see here, see the rough sketch. There is AC also and there is AD also. So from A we have 2 line segments. So it means you will put compass here on A and you will mark an arc of radius 6.8, and also after that you will mark an arc of radius 6.1 from point A. So take A as a center with compass. A as a center. You will draw 2 arcs, one at C and one at D. So at D, what is the length? 6.1. So take this scale here. 6.1, where is it? It is here. Understanding how to take 6.1 using scale and compass. So this much width is 6.1. It's not clear. So 6.1 it is AD. Mark an arc here. It should not be very dark. Just light one arc you will draw. Okay. Don't do doubling. Just single arc you will draw. Neat and clean. Now this is for AD. Now we will do for AC. What is that? 6.8. Okay. Again take the scale and measure 6.8. Where it is? It is here. So it is this much. Okay. So from A, again you will mark an arc 6.8 here. Okay. Just light one single arc you will draw. Don't do doubling. Okay. Otherwise it will become rough. So 2 arcs we have drawn. But yet we have not got the points exactly D and C. We have not got. Okay. Next step. From B, you will draw an arc of 5.2 so that we will get point C, है ना? तो B पे आ जाओ अब. Taking B is a center. It is 5.2. Just by looking at the rough figure, you can easily draw everything. 5.2 का बनाओ अब. So this much is 5.2. So which is the center now? B. So with B as a center, mark an arc of 5.2. It will cut this previous arc at here. है ना? It is cutting na? Previous arc. And which point we will name it? Name this point. It will be C. Using the rough figure, it is C. Okay, so we have got A, B, C. Now what is left? Only D. So how we can get D? From C, mark an arc 5.8 with C as a center. तो अब C को center लेना है हमने. So again measure the length 5.8 with the scale. 5.8, where it is? It's here. Okay. Exactly the length should be same. ठीक है. It is exactly 5.8. So this much is 5.8. So from where you will start? With the center C, because from C it is 5.8. So with C as a center, 5.8, we will get this. We will get this arc. Okay. See, it is cutting the previous arc at point. Which point is this? D. So we will name this point as D. We have got all the points. A also, B also, C also, D also. So you will join all these points now. Join this. Join AD. Join DC. So this is the required quadrilateral ABCD, in which AB is 6.5 centimeter, in which BC is 5.2 centimeter, CD is 5.8 centimeter, and DA is 6.1 centimeter. Just step by step we will do. Just the main is rough sketch. Your rough sketch must be correct. So looking this rough sketch, you will make this final construction. Okay. Thank you.